This is Shawn Clarke here at Firkins Automotive in Bradenton, Florida. I just took in this 2017 Big Bear Edition. This is Chief Blue. This is unlimited here. It's nice 4 doors, plenty of room. It's got the black grille, black wheels, really cool graphics on the hood. This is a premium soft top. It's one owner, clean Carfax. This was bought by one of our Firkins customers. It only has 11,790 miles on it. CD player, AM, FM radio, power doors, locks. This thing is in perfect condition. Got your gas covered there. This will not last long. If you're interested, call me, Shawn Clarke here at Firkins Automotive in Bradenton, Florida. My number is 941-730-9413. Thank you very much.